How to cook Ginataang Gabi in fried fish? These are the ingredients. 1 kilogram of fresh fish. Fresh taro stock or gabi.
Woo!
Coconut milk. Ginger, onion and garlic.
Woo!
First, we're going to fry the fish. Wait until it's fully cooked or brown in color. Now, set aside the fried fish. Next, saute garlic, ginger and onions. Wait until it's brown and fragrant. Flip the gabi, wait for a minute until it's brown in color. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. When the gabi is already cooked, put a cube of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Cook for 3 minutes. Add seasoning, salt and magic syrup. Cook for 2 minutes. Then add the coconut milk. Then cook for another 2 minutes. Now, you can add fried fish. This is my own procedure on how to cook this recipe. You can also try this step, or you can make your own procedure. Finally, you can add the fresh gabi stock. Don't stir it to avoid the gabi become itchy. Wait for it to simmer, add salt to a taste. That's all, ready to serve. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. We always appreciate our comments and suggestions. Please like and subscribe to our channel. K and LTV Akoba.